Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add leads from FormStack to MailerCloud automatically. Now FormStack is an online form building software. You can also build online documents in it, and also you can use it for surveys and different types of form applications. Now MailerCloud is an application or is a platform where you can do email marketing. Now what will happen? Whenever there will be a new form submission in FormStack, the details will directly be sent to MailerCloud and a new contact will be added into your MailerCloud so that you can use those contacts for your email marketing or for several other purposes. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect FormStack and MailerCloud together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. So now we are on our screen. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you will do that and press enter, you will be redirected to this page, and here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in, and here I will just go for login. And now you can see these are my softwares. So here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect, and then you will see a new window will open where I have all my automations done. Here you can see that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on create workflow, and here I am going to give a name to my workflow. So what I am doing here, I am connecting my FormStack to MailerCloud. So I'm giving it this name. I'll just click on create. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Now here you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Now what we are doing here, trigger, when this happens, action, do this. So in trigger, first we are going to have our FormStack application, and here we are going to do new form submission. Now as soon as you will do that, it will ask you to connect. Just click on connect, and here we are going to go for add new connection, and I'll click on connect with FormStack. I have already opened my FormStack account here, and you can see this. This is the form I'm going to fill, and this is my account. So I'm just going to authorize my Pabbly Connect for that. And as soon as I will give it the authorization, my FormStack will be connected to my Pabbly Connect account. And you also have to give the authorization to Pabbly Connect. And let me tell you, do not worry about your data. Your data is absolutely 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, and Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to click on, not click on, here now what we are going to, we are going to take a response first. Okay. So what is the response? As soon as I am going to fill this contact form, what will happen? Here a response will come, and the details of that contact form will come here. Now why will the details of contact form will come here? Because I have selected contact form over here. I have two forms in my FormStack, feedback form and contact form. Let me just show you. This is the feedback form, this is the contact form, and I have selected contact form here, and that is why the details from contact form will come here. So let me just close this and let me show you how you are going to do that. You can see here it is written contact form. Just click on the contact form. And here you can see here is an option for view live form. Just go there, and here it is your live form. So let's just fill this live form. Arpit Sharma, and email would be arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. Okay. I have just used a dummy email here. Now organization, I work for Pabbly Connect, so I'm just going to write Pabbly Connect in the organization, and you can create any kind of form. It is not necessary that you only use name, email and organization. There are several other fields as well. You can use address, you can use phone number, you can use other types of fields as well, age, etc, etc. I am just using this to show you how this automation is done, and that is why I have kept these fields less. Okay. Now what we are going to do, just click on submit form, and as soon as we will click on submit form, you will see in Pabbly Connect Oh, I am really sorry, my mistake. Before submitting a form, first you have to click on save and send test request, because without clicking on save and send test request, your response will not come into your Pabbly Connect form. So let me just first click this. I forgot to do that. And now you can see it is showing me waiting for response. I am going to fill this form again. So let me just do that again. Arpit Sharma 4321@gmail.com, and organization is Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now submit form. And as soon as we will submit the form, you will see here, I will have a response within some seconds. And you can see this is the response here, Arpit, last name Sharma. And now you can see this is my email, arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. Now, our first step of connecting our form stack to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to have our next application, which will be MailerCloud. So this is our second step, and here in action window, we are going to choose MailerCloud. So I'm just choosing MailerCloud here, and here what I'm going to do, I am going to add contact to a new list. Now let me just show you first my MailerCloud account. This is my MailerCloud account. Here we will go to audience, and then lists, and these are my list. You can see form stack, Calendly, Typeform, JotForm leads, Razorpay customers. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a new lead here in form stack account. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on connect, and here I'll go for add new connection. Now it is asking you for the API key. Now from where you are going to get this API key? You have to follow these instructions given here, and from here you are going to get the API key. So it is saying you can find API key under your MailerCloud account, navigate to accounts, then integrations, and click on API integrations. So let's just go to MailerCloud account. Now here look for integrations. So first we will go here in Pabbly Connect. Then we will go to account. Now here we are going to search for integrations. So here is the integrations, and then API integration. Now this is your API key. Just copy this API key and go back to your Pabbly Connect account and paste API key here. Then click on save. And as soon as you will click on save, your MailerCloud account will be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now here you can see the list is already selected, form stack. If I want, I can select other list as well, but I am just going to submit the details in my form stack list. So what I'm going to do here, let me just show you this list. So this is the form stack list, and here I only have 5 contacts. Arpit Sharma 321@gmail.com, Rajan Avasthi, Raj KJHML, I don't know what it is. Somebody must have written a dummy contact. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add one more contact here, which is Arpit Sharma 4321@gmail.com, which is a new one. So I'm just going to do this. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to map in my email, which is arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. Now I'm going to map in my first name, which is Arpit. So this is first name. I do not have any middle name right now in my form, so I'm just going to go for last name, which is Sharma. And I did not have any phone, country, city, but I already told you that you can add these fields in your form if you want to. I do not want to add anything now. Okay, I'll just go for organization because I have my organization Pabbly Connect. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Now as soon as I will do that, you can see this is the new ID I have for my form stack. And when I will go back to my form stack list in this MailerCloud account, you can see I have 5 contacts. Now I'll just click on refresh. And as soon as I will click on refresh and I will go back to contacts, you can see I have this new contact here, Arpit Sharma 4321@gmail.com. Now let us try it once more for a new contact, and let's see if our automation is working or not. So let me just go for Swati. Last name is Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com. And let me make it 123, and organization is Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now as soon as I will click on submit form, and then I will go back to my form stack list, and here you can see we have 6 contacts. Now I will just click on a refresh, and as soon as I will refresh and I will go to contacts, you can see here is a new contact, Swati Sharma 123@gmail.com. So friends, our automation is successful, and this is how you can connect your form stack to your MailerCloud, so that whenever a new form submission will be made in your form stack account, a new contact will automatically be added to your preferred list into the MailerCloud account. Now, if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this beautiful workflow into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.